Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one chapter from your literature book, The Browning Version. Okay, this is written by Terence Rattigan, and this is a drama in which a scene is created in a good school, and one boy whose name was Teplo. He is 16 years of age, and he came to do some extra work for his master, Mr. Croker Harris. Okay, and Mr. Croker Harris has not arrived yet, and one more master whose name was Mr. Frank. He is younger than Mr. Croker Harris, and he finds Teplo waiting for Mr. Croker Harris. Incidentally, it is the last day of the term. Now Teplo is a student in the lower 5th class, and he does not know whether he will get his division all right or not. Then he tells Mr. Frank that Mr. Croker Harris does not tell them the results like the other teachers do. Frank informed Teplo that there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmasters on the last day of the term. Teplo says that no one except Mr. Croker Harris pays attention to it. Frank then asked Teplo what he would like to do, study if his result is favorable. Then Teplo told that his preference for science. Then Frank remarks that they all get the slackers in science. Teplo disagrees with him and says that he is extremely interested in science. Frank observes the study of Greek play Agamemnon. Okay, Agamemnon. His objection is to the way the play is taught to them, just a lot of Greek words are strung together and 50 lines in one gets them wrong. Teplo's answer shows that he is feeling a bit better. Frank is surprised that Teplo has come in to do extra work even on the last day of the school. Teplo says that he missed a day last week when he was ill, so he has to complete that extra work. The weather is quite fine. He might be playing golf. He knows that Mr. Croker Harris must be quite busy then, as he is leaving the school for good the next day. The conversation then shifts to Mr. Croker Harris. Teplo had asked him the previous day if he had given him a good division, and he said that he had given Teplo exactly what he deserved. No less and certainly no more. Teplo is afraid that he might have marked him down rather than up for taking extra work. The man is hardly human. Frank then encourages Teplo to repeat the remarks of Mr. Croker Harris. Frank does not find his imitation up to the mark and asks him to read the SLS and be quiet. Now Frank suggests to Teplo that he might cut the class and play golf as Mr. Croker Harris has not turned up. Teplo is shocked at the suggestion as he can't think of ever doing so. Frank invites Mr. Croker Harris for the effect he has on the boys. They seem scared to death of him. Teplo said that Croak is not a sadist like other master. He would not be frightening if he were. It would then seem that he had some feelings. He seems dry like a nut and hates people to like him. Still Teplo likes Mr. Croker Harris. Sometimes Mr. Croker Harris sees it and he shrivels up even more. Now Teplo then relates an incident when his master repeated one of his classical jokes in the class. Nobody replied as they couldn't understand, but Teplo laughed as he knew he had meant it as funny. He felt sorry for his master for having made such a poor joke. Tableau has forgotten the joke but offers to imitate the reaction of Mr. Croker Harris. The laughter of Mr. Frank encourages Tableau to do so. So Frank seems to enjoy the joke and asks Tableau to do it more. In the meanwhile, Millie, wife of Mr. Croker Harris, enters the room. Frank and Tableau are surprised to see her. Tableau is afraid that she might have overheard their joke. If she told her husband, Tableau's division would be in danger. Frank dismisses his fear. Millie tells Tableau that her husband is at the Borsars and might be quite a time. She says that if she were Tableau, she would go. Then Tableau is filled with doubt. He says that Mr. Croker Harris has especially asked him to come. Millie then suggests that he might run away for a quarter of an hour and come back. Tableau is still uncertain and wonders what will happen. If he gets there before his arrival, then Millie told, okay, you go and bring some medicine from the medical store. If Mr. Croker Harris will come early, then I will tell them that I had told you to go and bring the medicine. Thus, the Frank went outside of Tableau went outside of the room and the story finished. In this story, there is the conversation between two teacher and a student, and the one teacher is asking Tableau to imitate about Mr. Croker Harris. And there is one question that one day he has missed his class, so that's why he has to come and complete his last lesson. Okay, and in this way, the Mr. Croker Harris will give him the marks and then he will promote to the other class. Thank you and have a nice day.